Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018, I almost said 2018. This is the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe SE Ultimate. Very, very nice car. Beckett's black, 28,000 miles. Don't have the price for this one. It's listed online, and I'm too lazy to look it up. Very, very nice car. Based, of course, on the same platform as the Kia Sorento, previous gen, but very, very, very nice. Under the hood is the 3.3 liter naturally aspirated V6. Keep in mind, it might not be detailed under here, so keep it with a grain of salt. All right, it is nice. Not a lot to see, but it's also crammed in there pretty well and proper, so. All right. Infinity sound system. No, it's not made by the car brand Infinity, but heated, cooled seats. Nice panoramic sunroof. Hey, they did it! Sliding visors. Get in there. All right. Without further ado, I'll show you off the backup camera. A couple different modes. All right. Oh, you have a front camera too. Nice. Let's go ahead, take it out on the road. Santa Fe is Hyundai's full-size SUV, or at least it was. Now with the Palisade. Yeah? Yes. Hyundai Palisade is the full-size version. You also had, back in 2018, the Santa Fe Sport, which was the 2-row version. This one is the 3-row. Looks like guys are coming. These are either the detail guys or the lot guys. You're on camera.
Hi, how you doing? Alright, I'm gonna park this in that hole so we keep all the Sorrentos together.
Alright.
Ray's gonna come down with a blue one and park it at the last spot. Park that after the last Sorrento in line.
Got it.
Thank you,
awesome,
sir.
thank you. That was John, lot guy. Well, hello. Do you see what I see? Nice C8 Corvette. overall, I mean, sorry, I've been awfully silent. I don't know why. But overall, it's just a very, very nice experience. I do believe this V6 produces right around 290 horsepower. Might be exactly 290. I know it's just shy of 300, which gives it pretty good get up and go. Oh yeah, this thing moves, man. My phone is going berserk and I have no idea why. I don't think I texted anyone. Head on up the hill climb. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.